Hello everyone, today we are discussing on the session 9, which is browser agents as well as autonomous web actually. So here in this session, it is an extension of session 7, okay. So it is an extension of session 7. So here extra only we are adding a browser skill. So which we are adding it in the agent config.yaml file along with the prompt file as well as a small dispatch in the skill.py file. So here we also have extra a post request of v1 vision model where it is image with prompt, which we are adding as an extension to the flow.py file. So here, as you already know, like we have the 4-layer cost cascade operations. First one is the extract, no browser, which is LLM cost is none, deterministic playwright with handwritten CSS, accessibility tree playwright with page accessibility tree. It is read by a cheap text LLM model, and a vision playwright with set of marks screenshot and a vision model. It is a per call vision cost actually. So for this demo actually I have chosen the 2B operation playwright with page accessibility tree read by a cheap text LLM model. Okay, so here my task is compare the top 3 Hugging Face text generation models which belongs to the transformers library, and it is sorted by most likes. It does a plain web search or the fetch URL, which fetch URL cannot do because the data only appears after filtering and sorting a JavaScript rendered page. Okay, so above all 4 we have a precondition check. So if the page is captcha or login or geo or rate limit blocked, the skill returns error code gateway blocked, and the planner recovers by trying another source. Okay, so here we will go through the demo. So here the tag actually it's a multi-agent pipeline where the planner it hits a browser, distiller, critic, formatter. So the planner what it decides the graph, no hard coding pipeline. Browser it drives the Hugging Face, it filters the text generation, filters the transformer, sorted by most likes, and we are reading the top 3. Distiller turns raw page text into structured records. Critic rejects invented or unsupport files, and then formatter renders a final comparison table. Okay, so we will see here actually in this demo I have already ran this LLM gateway main.py. It's already in use address. So now we will see. Okay, so I'm running this actually. So all the sessions, like the sessions gets inserted here actually. Okay, so this is my session that got generated, and here these are the things actually. The session 9 browser skill, it routes through 4 cascade layers which we have discussed, right? So it lands on accessibility tree now. Extract, deterministic, accessibility tree, and vision. Browser, you can see. So this is the legend.txt which we are coming. This is the screenshots which get saved actually. So we are not hitting the screenshots actually to the vision model, but it gets saved as and when it is browsing and then clicking on so and so. So all these get saved. Browse available models. It is opening the Hugging Face models. Okay, browse the available models.
Unknown caller.
So then here you can see in the text generation models. Okay, so it has clicked on the text generation models. Then you can see it is we are sorting by the transformer models. Okay, so then we are sorting by most likes. Okay, so once this is done, so the top 3 or top 4 models gets extracted. So the planner use the browser to navigate to the Hugging Face, apply the required filters for text generation, sort by likes, and extract the top 3 models. Browser, distiller, extract the model name, formatter, what does formatter do? Inputs is query and the distiller final formatter. Okay, so this is the flow actually. You can see here the conventional, your job is to produce the final user facing answer. Okay, so here, so this is the replay report. You can see, compare the top 3 text generation models on Hugging Face, filtered to transformer library, sorted by the most likes. For each model, report only the model name, like count and downloads as shown in the listing. Okay, rather than guessing, present them as this is my user goal, by goal, planner, browser, distiller, as well as the formatter. So what it does do, planner goes to browser, again browser hits the distiller, distiller, formatter. Okay, browser actions taken, so type click on the mark 36, 57, so each screenshot we have seen, right? So okay, and then finally done. Okay, this is the accessibility tree screenshots, so click and so. Okay, text generation models, transformers it has clicked. Okay, then sort by most likes. Okay, so once that is done, so it has extracted this. So the top 3 models, DeepSeek, name MetaLlama, V4 Pro, and this is the likes. Final comparison table. Here are the top 3 text generation models on Hugging Face, sorted by likes. These are the model name, likes count, download count it didn't find, so it has given this. Turn cost and summary, browser interactions, turns, total gateway calls, input tokens, estimated cost. So this is how once you add a browser agent, right, it will be easy for you. So I have chosen the simplest one where not much cost is involved, so that the LLM just judges. So it plans its DAG actually, DAG cycle, planner, browser, distiller, formatter, critic, and so on. So like this, you can just try the other use cases also. Hope you understood this video. Okay, kindly go through this video again. I will share the code. Okay, so and also the readme file which will be useful for you. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.